that's much more personal, that tells people something about their lives compared to the world. So for instance, something like this, and it doesn't look like much, but bear with me. So we were interested in people's incomes. Yeah, where people are on the income scale, right? Because if you ask most people, let's say, oh, I'm middle class. Yeah, I'm middle class, right? But most of the people working in newspapers definitely are middle class, because this is something called a Penn's Parade, named after a Dutch economist. And what he did was he split the population into 1% lines, and so this shows the richest at the top here and the poorest at the bottom. And this is somebody who, this is in the UK, to be bang in the middle, you've got to be earning about £15,000, which is about $23,000. It's not a lot of money. And if you had kids, it will push you even further down the list. So the data itself is quite complicated, because you have to take account of the fact that, you know, if you have children, or you're married, or you live in a house with somebody else, where you are on the poverty line, as it were, moves up and down quite a lot. And actually, most people who would say they're middle class are probably up here, probably not the super rich end. So we just did this questionnaire, and we'd asked you a couple of questions. How many kids have you got? Are you married? And we would place you in here, and we'd come up with a little line. We put them in groups. I would say something like, I'm in the squeezed middle, or I'm on the verge of poverty, or I'm in the super wealthy. And we had a tweet button there at the end of it, which would tweet that category. You know, so 50% of the population poor on me. I'm in the squeezed middle. We thought, nobody's going to do that. Nobody's going to tweet, I am on the verge of poverty. But thousands of people did. Thousands of people tweeted that. According to this Guardian Interactive, and linked back to it, and it became really well shared. And you know, so the data that's actually quite complicated. You know, we made it personal for people because they can see where they fit in relation to somebody else. And it seems to me that is often the stuff that we do that does best, is which it gives you a way to explore how you fit compared to somebody else.